So if you guys ever wondered about getting seasick, might have a solution for you. Stay tuned. So some of you guys might wonder if you get seasick. Well, for that, I came up with an idea. Since they're giving you the USB-C to USB-C wire, to actually fly this drone without having to use the goggles. So the main part is that you want to hook up this wire that was given to you by DJI to your DJI Fly app device, which in my case is the TripleTech 8 Pro. And once I hook that up, there's like no delay from the goggles to the device itself, and I actually can fly it just like that. Just like how we're doing a simulator, but I don't have to worry about getting motion sickness, having to wear the goggles or any of that stuff. So I hope this helped you. If it did, please don't forget, like, subscribe, hit the bell, and until then, don't forget, be a nice human, make somebody else smile, and definitely pay it forward. Love y'all. Aloha.